Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing how to sign into your ChatGPT account on your iPhone. Now before we get started, it's important to note that this will only work on iPhone 15 Pro models or later. Okay, first things first, we need to open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then, scroll down until you find Apple Intelligence and Siri, and click on that. Next, scroll down again until you find Extensions. You should see the ChatGPT extension listed there. Just click on it. Now you might be prompted with some ChatGPT information cards where you'll need to set up ChatGPT on your phone. Follow those steps. Once you've done that, you'll be taken to the ChatGPT extension settings, which will look something like this. All we need to do now is click on Sign In. This will redirect you to the OpenAI login page. If you don't have an account yet, go ahead and create one. But if you already have one, just click on Login. Then, go ahead and log into your OpenAI account just like you normally would. Once you've successfully logged into ChatGPT, you should see your account settings displayed right there in the ChatGPT extension settings. Great! So now that we've logged into our account, we can close the Settings app. You can now start using ChatGPT with Siri just like you normally would. And that's it. So if this video was helpful, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them down below. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to Rome Tips for more helpful tutorials.